He said we were a little bit too close to comfort for him.
I can see him.
Yeah, there he goes up. He's landing up there. Oh, where is it? Okay.
Yeah, he landed.
I'm comfy there.
He got there really fast.
Look how close we are already to home.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, this is nice because it's getting a panoramic view, you know,
Yeah,
it pans around and you can see them all.
Okay, what next? We get closer. Anyway,
Yeah.
this is shut out, yeah.
All right, Sabina, you paddle us away.
Okay.
And we'll come and save you if you don't feel like falling into the water.
Oh my God.
Yikes! There you are, hanging above the Amazon. Yikes! All right, we'll see you next week.
Hi. Oh my God.
Okay, give us a oh!
Oh no, my foot is falling asleep. What the heck? Don't do that, foot.
Your foot's falling asleep.
Yeah,
Sarah's the one whose foot is.
save me.
All right, let's go save her.
Okay, I'm saving you.
Get in there, honey. I'm working hard by filming the whole thing.
Okay, okay.
Stop filming because there's a possibility I'm gonna fall in the water.
Nah, you won't fall in the water. All right, slow the boat down, Sabina. Okay, here we go. All right, good.
There.
Beautiful.
There.
Ta-da!
Without falling
We're gonna give you a 10 on that one.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful area.
You could swing a little faster, but you really need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe what we need to do is bring a little more of that thicker rope and tie it onto it. So we have a nice long
then
rope.
If you put like a wooden like plank thingy at the
Yeah.
bottom.
Yep.
But one of those things that you sell on Amazon would be perfect.
Yeah.
Little feet on.
Well-
I love those because you can sit on them and you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That would be fun.
that's what we need. It was strong enough to hold your weight.
I mean, up there it's a really thick rope.
Yeah. Party Beach! Woohoo! Hi, this is Roger Burton. I'm here on Party Beach with my wife and daughter, and we're just enjoying the day out here. We come out on the canoe. That's them back there. We come out on the canoe. This is the Mississippi River behind me. It's a nice little beach. It's sandy. You can see the sand there and beautiful sky today. So come on down.